So there you have it, the Freebuds 4i. I'm not going to offer much of an introduction because we have a lot to talk about. So let's start with unboxing. The unboxing is minimalist. We have the Freebuds 4i here, then beneath that we have the USB Type-C cable, and below that we have a box. Inside that we get the spare buds and some user manuals. I have to appreciate Huawei that they have provided the spare extra ear tips of variable sizes with the size detail imprinted on the cover itself, because it's too tricky for me to find. So let's start with the design. The Freebuds 4i is available in 3 attractive colors: white, black and red, and are IP54 water resistant up to 1 meter, so they can easily withstand rain and sweat. The compact case resembles a delightful premium piano white pebble. When you crack it open, you will find the earbuds inside. The first thing I noticed when I opened them was how thin and plasticky they were. It appears to be very delicate. This is my personal view since I am currently using the predecessors and have never felt so light like the 4i. It is safe to say that they are pretty much AirPods clone, unlike countless other wireless earbuds on the market, but that's great. So when it comes to the Freebuds 4i's build, it looks okayish due to the fragileness. As I said before, I am having the predecessors of the 4i with me and I do enjoy them. In case you want me to do a comparison video with them, then put down in the comment section below. I'll definitely try to do it. So taking the buds out of the case is quite tricky for people like me with big and round fingers. I have mentioned the same in my Freebuds Pro video as well, but later I found the knack to take it out. Yeah, I also reviewed the Freebuds Pro, the company's top-end earbuds. I'll leave the link in the description, so do check it out if you're planning to buy one. Talking about the ear fitness, it's quite convenient to wear and isn't falling off easily. Even for someone with smaller ears, the correct cavity design of the earpiece does not cause evident discomfort even for wearing for a longer time. This set includes 10mm dynamic coil drivers as well as what Huawei refers to as a responsive polymer composing diaphragm. That means the internals are made of material that produces better audio than other wireless earbuds. In reality, the statement isn't far from the facts. They sound nice and sound good for their price. The key aspects is the bass line in all the styles of the music. However, you can hear the distinct bass and drum considering their price. Being a Freebuds 3i user, it's not surprised that they have included active noise cancellation. Huawei claims that it can reduce noise up to 22 dB. ANC works well and does a very good job of masking noises from a noisy office or a street traffic. But as always, a lot of it depends on how snug they are in your ears. Because of its built-in mics, the Freebuds 4i does a nice job of shutting out all the noises from the universe. Choosing the right size earbuds will give you better isolation. The larger ones provide more protection, but I believe they can be improved by investing a few bucks on Comply foam earbud tips. In case you are looking for a foam ear tips, then I will put down the link in the description. You can purchase them from there as well. Talking about the latency, I didn't find much of an issue during the gaming sessions. If you have a Huawei devices, the pairing will be instant. When you open the case lid, the phone will automatically detect the headphones and guide you through the pairing process using the AI Life app. Other Android phones and iOS users would need to connect the headphones manually in the Bluetooth menu. Apple users can also use these headphones, but Huawei's AI Life app is limited in its capabilities. This could change in the future, but for the time being, Apple users do not have access to additional settings such as an equalizer or other customization options. On the other hand, Android users can customize using the AI Life app. Speaking about the AI Life app, it is simple but well designed and simple to use. There are no EQ presets or audio tuning options, but it does display the remaining battery life of each buds and case, and allows you to manually switch between the three noise cancellation modes that are the noise cancelling, awareness and off. It also helps you to personalize the 4eyes capacitive touch controls, which are minimal but intuitive and quick to use. On your phone, you can assign those actions to a double tap on each buds, while a long press toggles between the noise cancelling and awareness modes. The controls are accurate and useful for skipping the tracks and pausing, but instead of relying on your phone, we could slide up and down to adjust the volumes. The call quality was outstanding. The Freebuds 4eyes design eliminates wind noise, and there have been very few occasions where the call quality has been notably low, which I may say due to the network issue as well. Thanks to Huawei's AI noise reduction feature, which assisted a lot for this call quality. You can disable the noise cancelling function or switch to transparency mode. This is helpful in restaurant when you need to hear someone talk to you, or when you are out walking and don't want the background noise completely muffled. Huawei states that its earbuds provide up to 10 hours of continuous music playback, which is increased to 22 hours when the charging case is included. They happily lasted a full day. You'll get less than 10 hours of use with the ANC switched on. I was not able to test that due to the time constraint I was going through. Anyhow, another useful advantage of charging is that it can provide enough juice for up to 4 hours of playback in just 10 minutes of charge. This is a fantastic feature for chronic charge forgetters who need a fast charger. The Huawei Freebuds 4i is an inexpensive, attractive pair of truly wireless earbuds that are perfect for sports. Although they may not have the best sound or the longest battery life, these are an excellent pair of Bluetooth connected earbuds, particularly for those who listen to mostly pop music. Additionally, they are some of the most affordable active noise cancelling earbuds available in the market. In general, these are dependable and fashionable offering from Huawei. Speaking about the pros and cons, let me start with the pros first. I would say attractive pricing, active noise cancellation up to 22 dB, vocals are outstanding. On the cons side, it has a fragile build, dynamic ANC is selective, and it also has an average bassline. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish signing off.